Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and this is your
I'm the Leprechaun
Photo News Fix. This fix is brought to you by Squarespace. I've been using Squarespace for JaredPolin.com for 10 years now because it's super simple to set up, super reliable, super simple, super easy, all of the super superlatives, and you still don't need to know coding. In fact, I've built 2 new websites using Squarespace in the last month. One is BerniePhotoBook.com that is live, and the other is for my super secret project, which I will be announcing shortly. Head on over to squarespace.com/FroKnowsPhoto to get your 14-day free trial. If you decide that it's for you, use the code FroKnowsPhoto at checkout to get 10% off your first order. First up, are you someone who likes to crop a lot but still want to make big ass prints from your overcropped images?
Yeah, we do.
Well, Adobe might have some good news for you. Last week, Adobe announced Super Resolution, which is a new feature added to Camera Raw that uses machine learning to boost your image's resolution, resulting in, and I quote, higher quality results than ever before.
But what does it mean?
Well, imagine you have a 10 megapixel photo and you're able to turn it into a 40 megapixel photo. Yes, that's super resolution. Remember all those crime shows where they take some really crappy photo that was taken with like a Pentax or something, and then they say the word enhanced? The photo magically gets clearer? Yeah, that's basically this feature. To access this feature, all you need to do from a raw JPEG, TIFF, or pretty much any other image file is right-click on it in Bridge, select Enhance, and let the computer do its thing. When it's done, you're left with a new DNG RAW file with 4 times the resolution of the original. Now, this does seem like a great feature, but something tells me people are going to expect to be able to take their overly cropped, blurry, or straight up out of focus images and turn them into masterpieces. What I will say is that I've had no issues blowing up my 4.1 megapixel RAW files from my Nikon D2H to give me 40 by 60 prints. This does seem cool, but I wonder what it does to pics. Enhance. Enhance! Enhance, damn it! Didn't work. Next up, Sony has done something that most people thought was not possible. They released a 50mm f1.2G master lens. Wow. That's right, even with their teeny tiny hole of an E-mount, they made it happen.
What a hole.
This lens is smaller, lighter, and faster than Canon and Nikon's versions. Oh yeah, and I should also say somehow less expensive. Clocking in at $1,999, the Sony 50-1.2 is $100 less than the Nikon version and $300 less than Canon's. Now I got a chance to test this lens out at 1-900 Ice Cream in the real world and enjoyed using it on the Sony A1. This certainly will be a lens that finds its way into my bag from here on out. Now, to check out my full review and download some sample RAW files, be sure to click the link down below, but after this fix. Hey, did you know that FroPack 3 is now live? That's right, we've created 15 all-new custom Lightroom presets that you can check out right now at FroKnowsPhoto.com/FroPack3. If you like FroPack 1 and FroPack 2, you're gonna love FroPack 3, so stick around to the end of this video to check out the trailer for FroPack 3. Next up, do you like the WuTang Clan? You know, I hear that they ain't nothing to with. Well, if you like WuTang and photo books, you're in luck because they just announced a limited edition 400-pound photo book that's 300 pages, 21 inches by 21 inches, and comes in this massive sculpture. If you think this is something for you, you better sign up to be notified as soon as it goes on sale because there's only 36 going to be made. I wonder if they like it raw. There's no word on price just yet, but if I had to guess, it will be $36,000. Do you think Farmer Bro will buy one? Next up, according to Petapixel, Leica has quietly announced that it will be raising the prices across its entire product line by varying degrees. What did they do? Whisper it? Oh, phone call. I wonder who that could be. Hello? Oh, it's Hannah Schnellberg with Leica PR. What's that? I can't hear you because you're whispering, and you're whispering in German. Basically, what's happening is Leica is raising prices on almost everything by 2 to 5% and as high as 9% in the case of the SL2, which is going up $600 April 1st.
It's not a joke.
Leica said, at Leica Camera, wait, they whispered it, at Leica Camera, we are dedicated to preserving our unparalleled tradition of optical excellence, craftsmanship, and integrity of our product portfolio. Yeah, tell that to the people with faulty image sensors.
What are you talking about?
We hold ourselves accountable to high standards with our products and to being transparent with our loyal customers as well. Look, this isn't a big deal to Leica buyers. In fact, the truth of the matter is, the more expensive they make it, the more likely that doctors and lawyers are gonna buy the stuff.
Sure, I'll pay for it.
Hell, all they need to do is charge for one more staple or paperclip and BAM! They made up the 5% difference. And finally, Canon Rumors has confirmed that a new version of the EOS R5 will be announced by the end of 2021. Can rumor sites officially confirm something?
Why not?
I mean, I guess. Sony Alpha Rumors does it all the time, and rarely are they right. But that doesn't stop them. Nonetheless, Canon Rumors is calling the camera the EOS R5C, with the C standing for can't overheat, or something like that. Pew, pew, pew! Goodbye, money truck! Canon's not gonna give us any more money because we make jokes about them. Not true, not true. They are reporting that it will have the same image sensor, the same settings, have C-Log 2, and be slightly bigger to make room for active cooling. So what you're saying is we'll be replacing a few of our R5s with this bad boy? Beep, beep, beep. That's right, we're filming using the Canon EOS R5. And there you have it, that's your photo news fix this time around. To check out the last fix, just follow the rainbow at the end of this video, because right now we're gonna roll the trailer for FroPack 3. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and I'm proud to announce FroPack 3. This pack includes 15 all-new custom Lightroom presets that are designed to help you edit your images quickly with unique looks. Now, let's see them in action. Introducing Gotham, Capone, Fifth Element, Mount Airy, November Rain, Almost Famous, Prestige Worldwide, Eckert, Winnebago, MDMA, Mentos, Zoolander, Canadian Tuxedo, Walter White, and King Contrast. Head on over to FroKnowsPhoto.com/FroPack3 to check out the before and after images, and if you like them, you can pick up FroPack 3 on sale for a limited amount of time right now, or you can save $60 instantly off the full retail price when you bundle FroPack 1, 2, and 3 together. Thank you very much for your continued support. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.